Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
This news why they read now just they shock me. Why this news they shock me? Be say I no believe am. Alhaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu has finally concluded plans to sell one of the Nigerian Air Force aircraft, one of the jets belonging to Nigeria Air Force. Alhaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't talk and say he go sell the aircraft, and that is one of the ways of cutting cost of governance. Hey, Nigeria, on I remember say President Muhammadu Buhari during the campaign period promised Nigerian heaven and earth. Among the many promises, he said he was going to sell all the presidential jets in order to cut cost of governance, saying that they are not necessary. That is among the insecurity he promised Nigerians that he was going to solve. He did not solve the insecurity problem, and as well, he did not sell any of the aircraft. Instead, Muhammadu Buhari acquired more new aircraft into the fleet of Nigerian aircraft. But today, Alhaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu have decided to sell this aircraft. But what did they shock me about this news be say, they talk say now for dollars, they are going to sell this aircraft. That is to say, if you want to buy this aircraft, you must make your payment in dollars. I can't ask myself, is our currency now dollars? Why are we not promoting our local currency, which is Naira? Mona, watch the video first.
Well, the Nigerian Air Force announced on Tuesday that the federal government has approved the sale of its Falcon 900B aircraft, Air Force spokesperson Edward Gapquet, in an invitation letter posted on X, asked interested buyers to submit bids via email or physically, further stating that the aircraft is available for inspection at the 307 EAG hangar of the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja. The letter also stated that all bids should be quoted in dollars, while submissions should not be later than December 24th. I mean, this is a welcome development, I would say. I mean, we know that the presidency has about 10 aircrafts. We don't know how much this is going to be sold for. That's a question a lot of people are asking. But if you look online, aircraft like that could go anywhere between, $3 to $5 million and all of that. So those are the questions that have been posed. But in the meantime, while some Nigerians are applauding the move to sell the NAF aircraft,